Welcome to our Word of the Day series. Today, we explore the Keffiyeh Kufiyeh, a garment steeped in Middle Eastern heritage. In Arabic, Kufiyeh refers to a fabric typically made of silk or similar materials worn on the head under iqal or wrapped around the neck. The term is associated with the city of Kufa in Iraq, indicating its deep historical roots. Our journey begins in 3100 BC in Mesopotamia. Here, Sumerian priests wore garments akin to the kufiya, denoting honor and social prominence. In the Ottoman period, the kufiya, became a marker of Palestinian farmers' identity, contrasting with the urban elites and symbolizing their connection to the rural way of life. The kufiya evolved into a symbol of resistance and Palestinian nationalism during the Arab revolt of the 1930s against the British mandate. By the 1960s, the Kufiyeh had become synonymous with Palestinians' national identity, unifying emblem for their quest for freedom. The intricate patterns of the Kufiyeh carry deep symbolism, from the fishnet pattern signifying the bond with the sea to the bold lines representing historic trade routes or the ancient rivers of Mesopotamia, Dajla, Tigris, and Furat, Euphrates. The term Kufiyeh is derived from Kufa, Iraq, linking this garment to a rich Arabic heritage and the civilization between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. In the Middle East, the Kufiyeh manifests in various forms, each reflecting the unique cultural and historical narratives of regions like Jordan, Iraq, and the Gulf states. The shimar, is another version of this garment, serving as protective headgear in desert conditions and a marker of cultural identity. For Palestinians, the Kufiyeh represents their ongoing struggle from the Al-Aqsa mosques to the Intifadas. The Al-Aqsa flood operation in 2023 marked a significant moment in this resistance, symbolizing a response to continuous violations against Islamic sanctities in Jerusalem. As we are recording this video in December 2023, Gaza currently faces severe humanitarian crisis, with the ongoing conflict causing widespread devastation. We extend our thoughts and prayers to the innocent civilians enduring this turmoil. Globally, the Kufiyeh transcends its traditional role, emerging as a symbol of solidarity, resistance, and a shared heritage. The Keffiyeh narrates a story from ancient Mesopotamia to contemporary Palestine, embodying honor, struggle, and unity. It's not just a garment, it's a symbol that continues to inspire. Bye.